my water. I have my stock solution right here and my water right here. So what I'm gonna do for dilution 1 is I'm gonna take, oh no.
Plug that.
I have to plug it in as X. So Y is our mass, which our mass was.
I'm gonna take, so I'm starting with 1 for my 20% solution, and then I'm gonna empty it all the way out to 4
into an empty beaker.
and then I'm just gonna put the excess in here. So I put, for my first dilution, I have 3 milliliters of my stock, and then I'm gonna,
And that's like our difference.
and then I'm gonna take some of this, and I'm gonna dilute it with water.
Write down the answer, and then I guess
Yes.
you didn't think we did that right?
And I have 1.2.
We said we were supposed to have gotten an equation.
And I'm going to empty it into the same thing to make my dilution.
So then do I plug in my density set?
And I did it to 3.2.
Probably. I didn't know if I did, which is not.
And then I'm putting my excess in here, so I'm not putting it back into the stock. That's my dilution 1. 3 milliliters of our 20% stock solution.
Yeah, so we're going to talk down.
And 2 milliliters of our water.
I have a meeting with
And then I'm gonna go take the mass of this while she's doing our next one. So this is the mass of our first solution.
Okay, 1.1. And we're gonna put that in. We empty 2. So we have 1 milliliters of our water solution, and we're gonna empty it out to 3. And we're gonna get eye level with the pipette to make sure we read the meniscus accurately. And it is at 3. So then we're gonna take the remaining and put it in this one.
Yeah. So you have 3 milliliters of 20%.
And it was at 1.1 to start off. So maybe 5.
So we're starting with what, 5?
So empty it to here.
Yeah.
So we're at 5 at eye level. Or not. Okay. So now this is a diluted concentration of the blue water in the stock solution. And we're going to empty the remainder into the other beaker.
And then we're gonna take the mass of our second solution, and then of course we're subtracting the mass of the beaker, the empty beaker that we took beforehand. So we're filling it up to 1 of the 20%. We're keeping eye level and reading the meniscus. Let it go out.
Down to 1.
Yeah, down to 1. Okay, stop. Okay, now we're empty it out to 7.
And this one.
Yeah. Stop. 7.1. Okay, and then empty the excess into that over there. So we have 6.1 milliliters of our. Okay,
Yes.
so we're gonna start at 2 this time. Go down to 8. That's 8.1.
And the rest in here.
Yeah. So we have. Okay, so for the volume 1, you have 3 milliliters of 20, 2 milliliters of H2O. Then the second one, you have 3 milliliters of 20 and 4 milliliters of H2O. And then for the last one, we have 6.1 milliliters of 20 and 6.1 milliliters of H2O.
We reset at the balance and it's at 79.064.